Good morning, everyone. It is 6:22 right now. We are packed up, ready to go. We are heading into, what's the town called?
Wrightwood.
Wrightwood today.
It's pretty nice out this morning. As predicted, I said that there would be a beautiful sunrise right there. We have 12.1 miles today. We're gonna blow right past Wrightwood because the Acorn Trail is like a 2.7 steep down, and it's a blue blaze. We don't want to do 5.4 unneeded miles, so we're just gonna go to Highway 2 and jump off there. So we have 2,753 feet of ascent today and 1,821 feet of descent. It's like a little bit chilly.
What's
today.
the temperature? You got 5G?
Well, I got it on my bag.
It is a little bit chilly, and it's very windy
Only
right
when the
now.
wind blows.
Yeah.
Only when the wind blows.
The
It's
wind?
38.7.
The wind
That's
picked up last
nothing.
night.
That'll melt your snowman. Check out that beautiful sunrise over there too. Anyway, we ready? Let's go. I think times like this, you only get a handful in your lifetime, and you definitely have to sit down. Should have took my pack off, but you definitely just gotta sit here and just like appreciate it, like watch, take in the moment, and appreciate what's around you.
Twisting and turning like war in a room. I think it's twist and tangle of fate that brought my heart to you. Know that I love someone even more than I thought I could. I think it's twist and tangle of fate that brought my heart to you.
We are a little over 6 miles in the day. We just passed the Acorn Trail, the one that is 2.7 steep down that we're not doing. But right there, right down there is the small town of Wrightwood. Do you remember any of your facts?
No?
She looked up a bunch of stuff the other day. Guess she forgot. Just can't get enough of it.
All right, so we are done with our 12.1 for the day. It's about 2 o'clock. We are at Highway 2 right now. It's currently closed because of snow. So we have to hike down about a mile, maybe a little more, to the part that's open. And then try to get a ride into, what's the name of the town again?
Wrightwood.
Wrightwood. I can never remember the names of these towns. Anyways, I do want to say that I am proud of us today. We did stick to the trail as much as possible. There was like one little part where it was pretty sketch, which we kind of just went up and around, but there is an easier route of taking a road, which we do know some people ended up taking. But us being, you know, our purest selves, we try to stick to the trail as much as possible. When we get to town, Kevin has packages to pick up at the post office. We're either going to do that today or tomorrow. And figure out what the next couple days are going to look like and resupply.
Yeah.
You got anything else?
Nope, just continuing on this snow road.
This is what the road looks like right now. All right, we got a ride into town, picked up the stuff from the post office. We got picked up from a lady named Cynthia. She was in her RV that she's remodeling. It was really nice. But yeah, now we're gonna head over to the place we're staying and figure out what we're gonna do from there.